Tell me when I come on here, want me to come back and take over.
Nah. I need to learn to do this thing.
My girl go in, she go in.
Hey foodies, and welcome to How to Foodie Nation. Today we are going to do bok choy with ginger and garlic with myself, Natalie, and my friend Dave.
Nats, I hear you're on a hill kick, right? So,
Oh, feel the heat. We really describe a living boy.
yeah, and I hear you eating well, eating healthy
Yes.
food. Clearly, I need to, but you know, the addiction to, peel out. But anyhow, right? What I'm gonna do for you today is a quick stir fry with some bok choy, which we also call pak choy, but we ain't eating it with bacon salad today, so we're gonna call it bok choy.
Bok choy.
Right? Same vegetable, right? And a quick ginger and garlic, nice stir fry with a few extra ingredients, right?
Right.
So we're gonna go in with some peanut oil. Now, if you don't have peanut oil, that's fine. Go ahead with your regular vegetable oil. We're letting that heat up and get it distributed. As you can tell, we have our trusty wok, right? And over a huge fire. This thing with wok cooking though needs to always be extremely hot, right?
Okay.
Now,
Guys, definitely get the peanut oil because I'm smelling that peanut fragrance.
Very
Don't just
fragrant.
go to your very regular vegetable oil.
right? We're gonna go in with a little bit of ginger,
Okay?
right?
Yeah.
Like that. So how long was that? 10 seconds maybe? 12? And the oil is ready, right?
Right.
A little bit of garlic.
Garlic.
You smelling that?
Yes.
Right?
Turn, twist.
So what I'm doing, I'm trying to distribute the heat as much as. That's ready. 5 seconds and it's ready. Let's go in. With the pak choy, aka the bok choy. Be being careful. Now this is going to start to come down pretty quick,
Yeah.
right?
I'm seeing this is a very quick meal.
Very, very quick meal. So, going to try to get this just incorporated properly,
Right.
right? Pulling it a little bit off the heat, some soy,
Okay.
some rice wine. This is going to cool it down a little bit, right? Add some flavor.
Okay.
See how quick that is?
Yeah.
Fine and all right. Right, so Nat, you think you're able?
I think so. I have to learn because I realize this is a quick meal I can do after the gym. Alright.
Yeah,
Show you
how
how
the
the
heat, yeah?
pro works there. Alright. She's a bit heavy.
You're doing well. Make sure and get it turned.
Feel that heat. Okay.
Yeah, the heat is kind of intense, right? Tell me when I come on here, want me to come back and take over.
Nah. I need to learn to do this thing.
My girl go in, she go in. Beautiful. Excellent job, Natalie. So that's how fast it is, guys.
Yes.
Right? And as we can see, the bok choy is starting to come down.
Yes.
Right? Good stuff.
Right.
Can you give me that back? Right. Yeah, so the heat's serious.
Right.
Right? What I'm doing now, trying to get all the heat from the sides of the wok. Right? So it's mere minutes. Mere minutes. I don't want to overcook it because you can't cook out the goodness out of all the
Yes.
vegetables.
And I like a little crunch.
Yeah. All right. Now, sesame oil is at the end. Why? If you put it too early, the fragrance and the flavor burns out.
Okay.
So it's at the end. Toss.
Do we add salt and pepper after?
We add it after we
okay.
check for it, right?
Yes.
Wok's back on.
Don't forget to take off the stove. That's important.
No, that's why we have a little sous chef there.
Oh.
The quiet gnome on the quiet little elf on the side, right? So, I'm taking a little bit of white pepper, which is more traditional in Chinese cooking than it is black pepper.
Okay.
Sprinkling a little bit. Haven't added any salt yet.
Right.
We're just going to turn this up.
Oh, this looks so delicious.
Doesn't it?
Smells so good.
So the colors are now a lot, vibrant.
Yes.
All the ginger and garlic is nicely cooked, right? And The next step right after that is we are going to taste it. We're going to let this cool down for about 10 seconds just so that I don't kill Natalie with the heat, right? And then she's going to taste it.
Okay.
That's it.
First things first, we have to learn to use chopsticks. I don't know if I'm on it right or wrong, but this is how I hold my sushi. So with this Chinese bok choy, grabbing, let's see how this tastes.
Go for it. Go for it.
I'm not big greedy. I was going to take 2 pieces.
Take 2. Yeah. Hey. So this is proof now that it tastes good, right? Yeah.
A new diet meal added.
No, I'm so glad that this came out well. But yeah, guys, that's basically how easy, how fast it is. In fact, you may just spend a little bit longer actually preparing all the ingredients.
There's
Right?
only like 2 main ingredients, garlic and ginger.
Garlic and ginger. Yeah, we put in some soy sauce, little rice wine, and some sesame at the end. But in terms of actual aromatics, ingredients itself, just garlic and ginger. How easy was that?
Who doesn't love a delicious leafy meal?
Yeah. And clearly she's enjoying it.
Comment, let me know if you love it. I definitely love it. And it's going to get me some more.
Yeah.
Guys, make sure to like and subscribe, Foodie Nation. See you all in the next one.